How an elastic security works is best explained using two account types as an example. The investor account type we are to assume is hosted with retail brokerages like Kraken, OKCoin, or Coinbase, while the researcher account is hosted with Elmhurst. Researchers log in and create a study. Project 3, we are to assume, is hosted by Benjamin Fenixon and two other researchers who each have their own accounts. In this example, we will submit a request for a beaker set worth $500. To invoice the network, one researcher from the project fills out each field, identifying the item name, item price, project and merchant name, and authenticates. These requests make our market index rate of 461 a simple moving average of requests added together and divided by the number of requests. Again, we are to assume this index is licensed to retail brokerages and listed with other securities. On an entirely unrelated note, Super Charisma Man will submit a request for a $20 Pyrex measuring cup. He will submit one more request for $50 for 50 milliliters of tier protein. Investors are to read historic data of successfully completed transactions along a time series and place a trade on a trend they spot. In this case, investors open a short position for one unit whose principal is $461. The listing brokerage calculates profit as markup and opens the position by executing the trade. Behind the scenes, the units of this trade are confirmed as smart contracts good for their future value on Ethereum, thereby allowing Elmhurst to use the principal to fulfill the request, carrying a balance with price discrepancy. In this example, we enter the trade ID, username, and open a short position. Because our index is corrected to the price of ETH, each position adds volume to Ethereum's market. We receive an encrypted hash by opening the position and acknowledge its confirmation on the ledger. Elsewhere, investors open two other short positions and zero out 6 requests, including the $20, $50, and $500, $341, and $44. These positions equal a percentage of our listed index, good for 100%, 74%, and 10%, and the listing brokerage confirms the units on Ethereum. Again, the listing brokerage opens a sell contract for 0.7396 using the account number and contract name, receiving an encrypted hash and acknowledging its confirmation on the ledger. In confirming Elmhurst's amount, Ethereum's traders open positions by buying or selling the units, thereby adding volume to the market. This allows Elmhurst to route the principal to the vendor's account and chart the amount successfully fulfilled. Position 2 has been confirmed on the ledger, so the final units are opened as sell positions. Using a contract name, account number, and 0.09544, we receive our encrypted hash. We acknowledge the unit's confirmation and use the principal to fulfill the requests. Super Charisma Man receives both the Pyrex measuring cup and tier protein, and elsewhere Benjamin's team receives the beaker set along with the other researchers' requests. That the units were confirmed on Ethereum, the price, excluding external volume, changed from $9.80 to $282. That Elmhurst's index, excluding the fulfilled amounts, changed from $4,517.79 to $7,800.38. Corrected to Ethereum, Elmhurst's index has changed from $461 to $27.66. Because these were short positions, we see the gains in column J. Each has made and profit to collect in column L should traders close their positions. And $341 and $44 were derivatives, and $461, including shares, were multiples.